So here it comes again. A new year, but the same old weather crashing into Cornwall this evening.
Well, tonight's high tide has been dramatic enough, but it's tomorrow morning that's causing greater concern, because then the winds will be stronger, the waves will be higher, and more coastal communities will be at risk.
People underestimate the power of the sea, and those waves, as well as being very heavy in water, they can contain rocks and all kinds of debris, which can injure you quite seriously.
Ministers are keen to avoid a repeat of this. The storms before Christmas left tens of thousands of angry homeowners without power for days. Many felt Britain had not been well enough prepared. So today the government's emergency committee met to make sure things are better this time.
We'll be working very closely with local councils, power companies, utilities and transport companies, making sure that all those organisations are absolutely prepared for the bad weather that is coming.
In the Cornish harbour town of Foy, they're used to high tides and flooding. And while they are taking the latest forecast seriously, some wonder if the authorities may be overreacting.
I think there is a danger that the message is made into overblown, and it becomes scaremongering. But I guess the government have got to do something about it. Maybe they need to start looking at the infrastructure a bit more carefully.
But the government insists some places are in for several days of exceptional weather, with flooding predicted in numerous places, like here in Carmarthenshire, where the river has already burst its banks. The Environment Agency is preparing for a triple whammy, a potential deadly combination of high tides, large waves and strong winds.
The weather's got a bit stuck into a pattern over the last, couple of months, really. The jet stream picking up storms from the east coast of America, flinging them across the Atlantic, and then they arrive on our shores, bringing gales and yet more heavy rain.
Today, coastguards found a body in West Cornwall, where a man was swept into the sea while celebrating New Year. 2014 has started miserably for many here, and there is no end in sight.